Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie is over here staring at me right now. Like I said, if this is your first time, Sophie is my producer and editor, and she likes to make fun of me as she edits the video. So if you see any text going across the bottom of the top of the screen, those come from Sophie poking fun at me. All right, so today I'm excited. It's really crappy outside. It is rainy. It's been raining for days, feels like months. It did snow, and then it turned to rain last week, and it's rained ever since. I would personally rather have the snow. This feels like March. So we're going to make Walt's Chili. As you know, if you watch the channel a lot, you know that I'm a gigantic fan of Walt Disney. I'm actually a Walt Disney fan before I'm a Disney fan. Everything that they did when Walt Disney was alive is my favorite over any of the new stuff. I'm obviously still a Disney fan, but I'm a Walt Disney fan first. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna make Walt's Chili recipe. This is the recipe that they make at the Carnation Cafe in Disneyland on Main Street, U.S.A. And I've not had this. I definitely need to go and get this and try it. Super excited. It sounds like it's delicious. There are quite a few different Disney chili recipes, Walt Disney chili recipes online. And like I said, this is the one from the Carnation Cafe. There's also one that he used to have when he was a kid. I think there's one he made himself. Although I've heard he just liked chili right out of a can. So, hey, if it's good enough for Walt, it's good enough for me. So let's do this. Yes, it is the Walt's Chili recipe from the Carnation Cafe in Disneyland, USA. And this recipe comes from thepickypalate.com. So go and check that out. There's a bunch of other recipes on there, a lot of Disney recipes. But I'm super excited because Walt's Chili, I mean, what more can you say? Okay, so I must say the chili was delicious, fantastic. I give it a 9 out of 10. I forgot to film myself tasting it, and I will tell you why, because I actually took this to my family's chili cook-off we had. There were 9 different chilies, there were some chicken chili, some veggie chili, and then a bunch of other ones. And this chili actually won first place. So I'm telling you what, it's very, very good. It's not too spicy enough. I think cooking the meat in butter, the sausage and the ground beef adds a lot of flavor. It is delicious. This might be the only chili I make from here on out. Fantastic. I can't wait to try it in Disneyland at some point. So I'm telling you what, yeah, this is a first place prize winning recipe in my family's chili cook-off. I got a prize for winning too, I can show you that. So yeah, it was great. I forgot to film myself eating it though. I was so excited to enter it in this chili contest. So yes, please try it. Fantastic, 9 out of 10. I mean, I might even give it 10 out of 10. I don't know, it's so good. Maybe 9.5. I mean, 10. I don't think I've ever given it 10, so I'll say 9.5, 9.75. Fantastic. Thank you, Walt, for inspiring this chili, and thank you for everything. Yes, but please give this a try. Delicious, one of the best chilies you'll ever have. So that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak right now. Sophie, you should see what she's doing over here. It's not good. You can also hit the like button because it really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually 1 or 2 a week. I used to try to do 2, but 1, sometimes 2, seems to be the norm, of late. And you can also leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or anything you'd like to see me do. And I can attempt to do that, keyword being attempt. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.